Meerkat in for D7 with the broad market review for 8/8/16. That's right, the 8th of August, 2016. Valdez and family are out on their vacation, and it looks like lots of traders were as well. Wait till you see the volumes on today's charts. And wow, what price action? Not. It was kind of a quiet day on Wall Street here. S&P down to 0.06. Dow, it shows here up 0.01, but it was just slightly off as well by a point or so. The Q's up minus 0.11, and the small caps down 0.05. Basically a flat day on Wall Street. And even the banks, though, were initially up, and then they dropped down minus 0.34. The VIX, oh man, 11.58, folks. That is very, very low, very, very complacent. We got to be careful about that. Gold down just a fraction, and silver up just a fraction. But the big news was oil. It was up at 3% at closing of the futures contracts, settling out at plus 2.4%. That's a big, it's up about 8% since last week. Nice recovery there. US dollar up about 0.13. And the trend trade for Grok Red traders not on tonight. All right, let's take a look here at the S&P 500, looking at the SPY, the ETF on it. This purple line here represents where we close on December 31st of 2015, and we are clearly up for the year. But we've been high basing, took a little dip and broke out big on Friday. Today, almost a doji here. And look at volume. Always see volume. That is the lowest volume on my chart. The lowest volume day on my chart, folks. That's right, going back about 5 months. Now let's take a look here at the Dow. And again, it was here at all-time highs. Did a nice bull flag. We could actually draw that in. Yeah, nice bull flag there. Broke out last Friday. And then just kind of stayed right there and inherited Friday's close. And then we got the Nasdaq here. It was running up, did a bull pullback, boom, up to new highs Friday. And again, just resting right at these all-time highs. Now the small caps on the Russell here, a little bit different story. It looks similar, and it ran up here, was high basing, pulled back, ran up to what looks like new highs of all time, but no, new highs for the year. But look, way up here is where the all-time high is. So the small caps are still lagging a little bit. They have a little bit more to catch up here until they're back up to all-time highs. Hey, let's take a look here at the bank. Again, can't go anywhere without banks, and it too, it went up, and then on Friday, boom, and now we're just resting up here. So this very definitely in a bullish mood, but this is the big news. Look at the VIX here. The VIX, man, down here. These are in ranges. Again, can't see it on my chart. Hey, let's go to the weekly chart on this one. Now these are the weekly candles on the VIX, the VIX, the fear indicator. And look here, it's low and it's down here by 12.5, but it's way down here at 11.5 right now. If we go back a year and a half back into July of 2015, last time we saw it at this low of a level. That's very complacent. People are clearly out vacationing and doing something else right now rather than trading. They are not very worried. This is Mark the Meerkat. I'm covering for the Vacation D7. He'll be gone for the week, and I was on vacation last week. But just remember that trade what you see, not what you think. Trade well.